Good afternoon. Welcome back to Me Mean Cheap. This Suburban uses oil. It's got a leak in the rear main seal, and I probably won't be fixing that anytime soon because it looks like that involves removing the transmission. If anybody has any other ideas on how to address that, let me know. I'd love to hear them. So I have to add oil to the Suburban, check the oil, monitor that frequently to avoid getting into a low level. Now, I had taken this Suburban on a ski trip out to Colorado, and something happened to the filler lid here, and I could not remove it, and the level actually got low enough to where the light came on. And so we took it to a service station, and they were able to actually pull the filler tube off, and then I guess use a wrench and get the cap off. But anyhow, that was just a temporary fix. I've looked at the cap. It doesn't appear to be anything wrong with the cap, and the existing filler tube is actually cracked. So I did buy a new one off of Amazon, and I think it was only about $7. It wasn't much, but anyway, it seems like you can get everything off the internet now. So we're going to swap this one out. So I'm short. I have to climb up here. All right. So this little filler tube will actually just unscrew. And that's what this looks like. And it's actually broken right there. It's split. And I got to see if I can get this cap off of here. Well, that's the problem. Oh. Well, I'm not sure what is wrong with this. Go ahead and put this new one on. I'm going to have to take this out to the shop and get a wrench. I don't like the way that's angled. That's better. All right, well, so this is the filler tube. This is the cap that won't come off, and I'm going to go attempt to remove it. Thanks for watching. Okay, welcome back. I got the cap off of the filler tube, and now I'm going to put it back on. Now I'm starting to question if it's a problem with this cap. Well, I don't know. There may be something wrong with that cap. I guess if worse comes to worse, I could fill it through this hole down here where this tube connects. Okay, thanks for watching.